Hey there, I'm Ursula. Welcome to my garden. A magical place, but boy has it been a journey. Just a few years ago, it was only a brown shed. Then I built some raised beds. Then I had the crazy plan to add on a DIY greenhouse using old salvage windows. Then I remodeled the interior of that shed, which was also a lot of work, especially when you're doing the majority of it yourself. Then I built an arch trellis, added some cafe lights, then tried to grow some food, which, let's be honest, I'm still learning how to do. Whew. Moral of the story, things are hard, but so rewarding. Try some hard things. In a few short years, you'll be showing off your magical happy place as well.